Welcome back to Life on Screen. In this video, you'll learn how to activate your ad player, which you already installed to your screen. If you haven't done that yet, please watch the previous video. Alright, at this point your screen should be displaying a 4-digit number. This number will be different than the one in this video. To start activation, take out your phone and go to the App Store. And search for the Life on Screen app on your phone. Download it. And now open it. Log in with your existing Life on Screen account. Next, press on the menu in the top left of your screen. Now press on My Screens. Here you can see all the screens that you register with Life on Screen. Press on the one you want to activate. Now press Activate Screen. Now you're going to connect to the hotspot which your ad player is temporarily creating. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wi-Fi name that is shown on your screen. When it asks you for a password, write the password that is also displayed on your screen. Then go back to the Life on Screen app. Make sure that the number that is displayed on the screen is the same as the number in your app. Then press Start Activation. Now you're going to make sure that the test image is displayed correctly. If it's upside down, press No, turn it around. As you press this, the image will flip. You can also flip it back by pressing the same button again. When it's turned the right way, press It's correct. Next, you have to connect your ad player to a Wi-Fi so that it will automatically download all the ads. Select the Wi-Fi, input the password, and then click on Connect. Your ad player is now finalizing the activation. And voila! You have successfully activated your ad player. Your screen is now a part of Life on Screen's global network and will automatically display ads from advertisers that book your screen. Thank you for using Life on Screen.